back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create group study flashcards in Notion. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create group study flashcards in Notion, all you gotta do is simply go to Notion. Once you're in your Notion, creating group study flashcard involves building a collaborative flashcard database and sharing it with your study group. So first thing you need to do is to create the flashcard database. You can start from scratch or use one of the many available templates on the Notion marketplace. From scratch, if you're using from scratch, then you need to create a new page. You need to add a database and define properties like renaming the default, adding a text properly, and adding a select or multi-select status, and add content. After this, you can customize your views as well and share and collaborate with your group. You can click the share button, invite your members, and collaborate. So this way you can simply create group study flashcards in Notion. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.